How to turn on RCS messaging on Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch your Play Store on your device. Search for Messages application on your device. And make sure to download and install Google Messages application on your device. Now click Open button to access Google Messages. Tap profile icon at top right corner of the screen. And then select the messages settings. Then you will get access to the settings section where at the top you will find RCS chats. Simply you have to tap on it to get access to RCS chats. Once you're on this section, you need to toggle the button on for turn on RCS chats. If it is toggled off in this way, you can simply tap the button and turn on RCS messaging on Android. For that, make sure to toggle the button all for the send receive messages showing typing indicators automatically resend as text, and tap allow button, and you can auto download files while roaming as well. So by following this all the steps, you can successfully turn on RCS messaging on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.